Ladies and gentlemen, may I request you please stand as the academic procession consisting of the president of the event, Very Reverend Father Stanley Pereira, the correspondent, St. Mary's Educational Institution, Bela, Mr. Stanley D'Souza, Chief Guest, Assistant Director, Digi World Media, Reverend Dr. Rocky Ravi Fernandez, the Principal of the College, and Mr. Vincent D'Souza, the Vice Principal, Professors of Eminence, Management Development Institute, have entered the hall.
Let's welcome all the distinguished dignitaries with a huge round of applause. This is our honor to invite all the awardees along with the dignitaries in the procession. Thank you, dignitaries. Ladies and gentlemen, you may please be seated. A very good morning to one and all gathered here. I, Mr. Suma, Lecturer, Department of Commerce.
I, Mrs. Anita D'Souza, Lecturer, English Department, host of today's event. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the first convocation ceremony of St. Mary's College, Bela. This is a much awaited event in every student's life. This is a day of joy and pride for all of us gathered here. It's a day to reflect on the past, cherish the present, and look forward to the future. It's a day to celebrate the power of education, the value of learning, and the potential of each and every one of our graduates.
I bet their parents and loved ones are very proud of their accomplishments because imagine the students were able to cope with the SMC environment and successfully face the challenges they had in.
This point of the academic year signifies the culmination of many years of hard work, dedication, and commitment in the relentless pursuit of knowledge.
Knowledge that will enable a person to embrace opportunities and take challenges with a clear vision and purpose.
So, I would like to congratulate all students of SMC for fighting for your dreams and your future.
Yes, kudos. Also, to all the people who serve as the pillars of our college for their hard work, intelligent minds, we will not be able to make it.
I agree.
To begin with this auspicious occasion, may I invite Ms. Vindhya and team to invoke the Almighty. May I request all of you to please stand for the invocation.
Indeed, we are blessed. Please take your seats. As we gather here today to mark this momentous occasion, let's also come together to feel welcomed through the joy and beauty of dance. Here comes Anusha and team to welcome every one of us with their elegant steps.
Kirdaka junuta, dim-ta. Kirdaka junuta, dim-ta. Kirdaka junuta, dum-ta. Dum-ta na 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 na, dum-dum ta na 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 na, dum-dum agappa.
Dum-dum ta na na dee-ra na 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 na, dum-dum agasa.
Ragda dum-da da da dee-ra na 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 na.
Da-da-gra-da-dum, da-da-gra-da-dum, da-gra-da-dum, dum-dum ta na 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 dee-ra na 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 na, dum.
Kirtana dee-ra-na, gama gama maga ma pa maga sa ni sa. Kirtana dee-ra-na, gama gama maga ma pa maga sa ni sa. Kirtana dee-ra-na, gama gama maga ma pa maga sa ni sa. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Gama pa maga gama, gama pa maga ma sa. Gama pa maga gama, gama pa maga ma sa. I'm in love with your body. Why, 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 why?
Ni-di-ba-ma-ba, ni-di-ba-ma-ba, ka-di-sa-ni.
Why, 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 why?
Pa-ni-sa-sa, pa-ni-sa-sa, pa-ni-sa-sa.
Why, 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 why?
Ka-di-ni-sa, ka-di-ni-sa, pa-ka-di-sa-ni-da-ba.
Why, 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 why?
Jum jum ta dhalam kutaka takura te tam gira ta jum taka jum ta takita ta ta jum gira jum ta num ta rum ta takita ta tam gira ta tarita ta dalata ta runata ta dinista ta da jum ta num ta rum ta din gira ta dim ta gira ta jum dim da ta jum nam da ta jum tam takita dana ta tam gira dim ta gira ta jum dim da ta jum da gira ta jum da kita ta jum gira ta jum ta ni ta ta dana ni ta ta gira ta dana ta jum dana ta tam gira ta jum dim da ta jum nam da ta jum ta dim tum nam da ta gira ta di ta dana ta gira ta dim da ta dana ta di ta dana ta dim dim jum gira.
Let's give a blistering sound of applause for our performers who have filled our hearts with joy and our event with an auspicious beginning. Thank you, dear students.
It's time to invite our esteemed guests and dignitaries to the dais. The President of the Convocation Ceremony, Very Reverend Father Stanley Pereira, Correspondent,
Mr. Stanley D'Souza,
Reverend Dr. Rocky Fernandez, Principal, St. Mary's College, Bela,
Mr. Vincent D'Souza, Vice Principal to the dais.
May I request the host to escort the dignitaries onto the dais. Thank you. Be seated.
In the history of SMC, convocation is the name heard and said for the first time in the principalship of Reverend Dr. Rocky Ravi Fernandez. It is once again a feather in cap during your tenureship.
Here comes respected principal, Reverend Dr. Rocky Ravi Fernandez, who has been a source of inspiration and guidance. May I request you, dear Father, to address the gathering with a welcome note.
Good morning, everybody. Honorable President of the program, Very Reverend Father Stanley Pereira, esteemed chief guest of today's ceremony, Mr. Stanley Bella, Vice Principal of the college, Mr. Vincent D'Souza, esteemed faculty and the graduates of today, the shining stars of this day, and my beloved students. It is my distinct pleasure to welcome you all to this very special occasion. It's my greatest pleasure to welcome Very Reverend Father Stanley Pereira, the correspondent of our college. He has been graciously joined us to celebrate this significant event. I would like to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to you, dear Father. Your presence here today is a great honor, and we are deeply grateful for the time you have taken to be with us. Your leadership and dedication have been instrumental in organizing this event, and we are truly privileged to have you with us today. I extend a very cordial and hearty welcome to you, Very Reverend Father Stanley Pereira. Cordial welcome.
May I request Ms. Kirtika, lecturer, to welcome the President, Very Reverend Father Florally.
Today we celebrate the remarkable achievements and hard work of our graduates. And we are honored to have a distinguished guest with us to mark this special day. Before I proceed, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Stanley Bella, who is a journalist, is an anchor, dramatist, organizer, writer, and a poet too. Presently, he is working for a famous media that is called daijiworld.com. We are incredibly fortunate to have Mr. Stanley Bella with us today. We are honored by your presence, and we eagerly look forward to hearing your words of wisdom and encouragement. I extend a very, very cordial welcome to you, dear sir.
May I request Mrs. Juliana to hand over the bouquet to the President and thereafter to welcome the guest florally.
I extend a very cordial and warm welcome to Mr. Vincent D'Souza, the Vice Principal of our college. He has been a source of motivation to all the students during these years. I extend a very hearty welcome to you, dear sir.
May I request Mrs. Akshata to welcome Mr. Vincent D'Souza florally.
Today marks a milestone in the lives of our graduates. It is a day of celebration, reflection, and anticipation of the future. Our graduates have worked tirelessly, shown resilience in the face of challenges, and have grown immensely during their time year with dedication and perseverance. You have earned this moment, and we are all incredibly proud of you. As you move forward, we remember your goodness and thank you for being here and for sharing this occasion. A hearty and a very cordial welcome to all my beloved graduates. Hearty welcome to all the graduates. A very cordial and hearty welcome to all the parents of these graduates who are here. All the parents, with a lot of love and support, they have come. We extend a very cordial welcome to every one of them. I'm immensely happy to welcome the faculty, teaching and non-teaching, St. Mary's College, Bella. It's because of your teamwork we have this beautiful celebration. Our hearty welcome to all the faculty of St. Mary's College, Bella. Welcome to you. All our loving students with a beautiful smile and a lot of enthusiasm are present in this hall today. And it makes us really happy to look at you every day. We feel more blessed day by day. I, from the bottom of my heart, extend to you warmest welcome. A welcome to you, dear students, to this gathering. I welcome the media persons, especially Master Alan D'Souza and the team for live streaming. Mr. Sebastian, the photographer, doing the photography of the program today. Brother Aaron D'Souza, who is doing PowerPoint presentation and all the help that is possible. JK arranges and the sounds, Mr. Lancer and the entire team, and everybody, those who specially work behind the screen, we say, or work behind the scene, we say. There are so many who have been helping us. Every one of you are here. I extend a very cordial and warm welcome to every one of you, everyone to everyone, a warm and cordial welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you, dear Father. A warm welcome you too. I request Ms. Kirtika to welcome our Principal Florally.
Now, we are about to commence our event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. This symbolic moment signifies the dispelling of darkness and igniting the thought and enlightenment. It's our honor to invite the chief guest, Mr. Stanley D'Souza, along with all the eminent personalities on the dais to do the honors. We deeply appreciate their presence, marking the auspicious beginning of our proceedings today.
असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्यो मा अमृतङ्गमया शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
A heartfelt thanks to our esteemed guests and dignitaries for leading the beginning. I request Mrs. Juliana Krasa, Lecturer, Department of Commerce, to brief the importance of Graduation Day and to introduce the guest.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Respected Very Reverend Father Stanley Pereira, correspondent and the president of today's occasion, guest of honor, Mr. Stanley D'Souza, Reverend Dr. Rocky Ravi Fernandez, Principal, Mr. Vincent D'Souza, Vice Principal, dear colleagues, parents, and my dear students. It's my pleasure to speak on the importance of this day and introduce the chief guest to the gathering. Dear students, today marks a momentous occasion in your lives. Graduation Day is a day of celebration of your hard work, dedication, and perseverance. It's a day to acknowledge your achievements and honor your journey. A day that is a chapter in your life. It represents the realization of your dreams and fruits of your labor. It's a testament to your resilience and the ability to overcome obstacles. A day of celebration of knowledge, skills, and the values you have achieved. It's time to cherish memories, bid farewell to friends, and welcome new opportunities. As you move forward, remember the graduation is not the end, but a beginning. Embrace the challenges, seize opportunities, and make your day a beautiful one. Congratulations, graduates. Today is your day. Shine, celebrate, and make it a memorable one. On this special occasion, we are also glad to honor and celebrate the achievement of an individual whose contributions have been nothing short of extraordinary. Our guest of honor of today is someone who has made significant strides in their field, demonstrating excellence, dedication, and an unwavering commitment to make a difference. It's not often that we see across an individual who possess such a remarkable blend of talent, hard work, and humility. Mr. Stanley D'Souza, well known as Stanley Bela, is a production director of Digi World Media Private Limited, journalist, cinema and serial director, writer, and advisory board member, Kendra Sahitya Akademi, New Delhi. He has not only reached the pinnacle of his career, but also have paved the way for others to follow. Today, we are privileged to have you, sir, with us. As we celebrate his achievement, we also take this opportunity to express our gratitude and appreciation for the impact he has done to the society and to the younger minds. I wholeheartedly thank him for joining us on this occasion and wish good luck for all his future endeavors. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, dear ma'am, for your words of applause and appreciation. Now it's time to honor and felicitate the chief guest, Mr. Stanley D'Souza, for his dedicative endeavors. Sir, it's our humble request to receive our honor. May I request the president of the day and the correspondent, St. Mary's College, Very Reverend Father Stanley Pereira, to felicitate the chief guest along with other dignitaries by your gracious presence.
dignitaries, the much awaited time has come to honor and say congratulations to the graduates. May I request Mrs. Charishma, Lecturer, Department of Commerce, to call out the names of the graduates.
It's my humble plea with the chief guest to confer the certificates of merit to the graduates.
Good morning all. We are pleased here to welcome our graduates, and we kindly request each graduate to come and collect their certificates. Ahmad Rumai CH. Kavya PK. Shrija. BCom graduates, Abhishek SP, Aishwarya PS, Ajita G, Adira K, Deepthi Prasad K, Nandana P, Navya K, Sneha M, Abhishek K, Karthik S, Puneet Kumar K, Amrita KP, Bhavishya, Shreya M, Sneha B, Ahmad Bilal, Srihari BK, Fatimat Mubashira MB, Nishmita P, Parvati C, Shrishma PM, Vaishnavi B, congratulations to all graduates and best wishes for their future.
We are really grateful to you, dear Sir Stanley Bela, and all the dignitaries. You have accomplished this event, which is a memorable one to our college, written in the golden letters. And congratulations, all the graduates, and be the change that you wish to see in the world.
It's my privilege to invite our guest, Mr. Stanley D'Souza, to share his thoughts with us today. Your achievements and contributions are truly impressive, and we would be grateful to your words addressing the graduates. Please, sir, join us with your valuable thoughts.
Respected correspondent, principal and dignitaries on the days, and my dear graduates. Thank you inviting me to this convocation event as a guest. But I must correct you. I am not a guest on this soil. This is my native land, and this compound holds a special place in my heart. Before congratulating graduates, want to share few thoughts in Malayalam. Okay, മലയാളത്തിൽ സംസാരിക്കാം അല്ലേ? ശരി. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ 18 വർഷം മുമ്പാണ് എൻ്റെ ഗ്രാജുവേഷൻ കഴിഞ്ഞത്. ഞാൻ ഗ്രാജുവേറ്റ് ആയത് ഗവൺമെൻറ് കോളേജ് കാസർഗോഡ് നിന്ന്. അതിന് അപ്പുറം ഞാൻ ഇതുവരെ ഒരു വേദിയിൽ മലയാളത്തിൽ സംസാരിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. ഓക്കെ, ഇപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് കുറേ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഇവിടെ അവരെ ഡിഗ്രി പഠനം പൂർത്തിയായിരിക്കുന്നു. ഇപ്പോൾ ഞാനൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിക്കാം എല്ലാവരുടെയായിട്ട്. ആദ്യം ഒരു കണക്ക്. നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് അല്ലേ? അതെ, കണക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെയാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ ഒരു വണ്ടി ഡ്രൈവ് ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുക. കുറേ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണേ, നിങ്ങളെ വണ്ടി ഒരു 2 കിലോമീറ്റർ പോകുമ്പോൾ അതിലേക്ക് 4 പേര് വഴിയിൽ നിന്ന് കയറുന്നുണ്ട്, ആ വണ്ടിയിലേക്ക് കയറുന്നുണ്ട്. അതിനപ്പുറം ഒരു 5 കിലോമീറ്റർ പോകുമ്പോഴേക്ക് ആ വണ്ടിയിൽ നിന്ന് 2 പേര് ഇറങ്ങി പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. മനസ്സിലായ? പിന്നെയും ഒരു 10 കിലോമീറ്റർ പോകുമ്പോഴേക്ക് ആ വണ്ടിയിലേക്ക് 10 പേര് കയറി വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ചോദ്യം ഇതാണ്, ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചോ. ആരും ഉത്തരം പറയരുത്. ആർക്ക് ഉത്തരം അറിയൂ അവർ കൈപൊക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, ആരും ഉത്തരം പറയരുത്. ആ വണ്ടിയുടെ ഡ്രൈവറുടെ വയസ്സെത്ര? കൈപൊക്കിക്കേ. ആരും ഉത്തരം പറയരുത്. ഒരാൾ, ഒന്നുണ്ട്, പുറകെ 2 ഉണ്ട്. കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല? ഓക്കെ, 2 പേരുണ്ട്. ലാസ്റ്റ് ആദ്യത്തെ കൈപൊക്കിയാളൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞോട്ടെ. നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ. 19. വേറെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ ആള് എത്ര? കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല? 45. ഓക്കെ, ഇരിക്കട്ടെ. അപ്പോ ഒരാൾ ഉത്തരം പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് 19. അത് അയാളെ വയസ്സാണ്. അയാൾ പറഞ്ഞത് അയാളെ വയസ്സാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരു കുട്ടി 20 പറഞ്ഞാൽ ആ കുട്ടി പറഞ്ഞത് ആ കുട്ടിയുടെ വയസ്സാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ചോദ്യം ഇതായിരുന്നു, നിങ്ങൾ ഒരു വണ്ടി ഡ്രൈവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ മിക്കവർക്കും ആ ആൻസർ അറിയത്തില്ല, ആരും കൈപ്പൊക്കില്ല. എന്തുകൊണ്ട്? നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും ആ ഡ്രൈവറുടെ വയസ്സ് എത്ര എന്ന ആ ഒരു ചിന്തയിലേക്ക് പോയി. ചോദ്യം ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ കേട്ടില്ല. നിങ്ങൾ ഒരു വണ്ടി ഡ്രൈവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഈ കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഇതാണ്, നിങ്ങൾ ആൻസർ പഠിക്കും. എത്രയും ശ്രമിച്ചിട്ടും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ ഉത്തരം കണ്ടെത്താൻ പറ്റാത്തത്. നിങ്ങൾ ഉത്തരങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കും, നിങ്ങൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പഠിക്കത്തില്ല. നിങ്ങൾ 1ാം ക്ലാസ് മുതൽ ഡിഗ്രി വരെ നിങ്ങൾ ഉത്തരങ്ങൾ മാത്രമാണ് പഠിച്ചത്, ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പഠിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. ശരിയാണല്ലേ? ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് ഗ്രാജുവേറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് പുറത്തു പോകുന്നവരോട് പറയാനുള്ളത് ഇത്ര: നിങ്ങൾ ഇന്ന് മുതൽ ഉത്തരങ്ങളല്ല പഠിക്കേണ്ടത്, നിങ്ങൾ ഇന്ന് മുതൽ ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് പഠിക്കേണ്ടത്. ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ആരാണ് പഠിക്കുന്നുവോ ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കുന്നവൻ ഈ സമൂഹത്തിൽ കുറേ ദിവസങ്ങളിലേക്ക്, കുറേ നാളുകളിലേക്ക് അവൻ ഇവിടെ അവൻ്റെ ഒരു എസ്റ്റാബ്ലിഷ്മെന്റ് അറിയപ്പെടും. ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ അത് അറിയപ്പെടത്തില്ല. അതാണ് ഒന്നാമത്തെ പറയുന്നത്. രണ്ടാമത്തേത്, നിങ്ങൾ 3rd ഇയർ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഗ്രാജുവേഷൻ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് പോയി. നിങ്ങൾ ഇതുവരെ സീനിയേഴ്സ് ആയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. സീനിയേഴ്സ് അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ പോയ ഉടനെ നിങ്ങളെ 2nd ഇയർ 11, 1st ഇയർ 11 അവൻ സീനിയറായി. നിങ്ങൾ ഇന്ന് ഇതുവരെ സീനിയറായിരുന്ന ആൾക്കാർ നാളെ മുതൽ നിങ്ങൾ ജൂനിയേഴ്സ്. നിങ്ങൾ ഈ സമൂഹത്തിലേക്ക് പോകുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ഒരിക്കലും സീനിയേഴ്സ് അല്ല, നിങ്ങൾ ജൂനിയേഴ്സ്. നിങ്ങൾ മാസ്റ്റേഴ്സ് പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ അവിടെ ജൂനിയേഴ്സ്. നിങ്ങൾ ഒരു സ്ഥാപനത്തിലെ ജോലിക്ക് പോകുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ അവിടെ ജൂനിയേഴ്സ്. നിങ്ങൾ ഗ്രാജുവേറ്റ് ആയിരിക്കാം, നിങ്ങൾ ഡിഗ്രി ആയിരിക്കാം, പക്ഷേ അവിടെ 10ാം ക്ലാസ് പഠിച്ച പിയോണും 8ാം ക്ലാസ് പഠിച്ച അറ്റൻഡറും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സീനിയർ. അവരിൽ നിന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടം പോലെ പഠിക്കാനുള്ള സാധ്യതകളുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഒരിക്കലും ഡിഗ്രി കഴിഞ്ഞ ഉടനെ ഗ്രാജുവേഷൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ ഉടനെ നിങ്ങൾ സീനിയർ എന്ന ആ ഒരു ഭാവം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉണ്ടാകരുത്. അപ്പോൾ സീനിയറിറ്റിൻ്റെ കാര്യം കഴിഞ്ഞല്ലോ. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇനി കുറേ പേര് ഈ മലയാളം മനസ്സിലാവാത്തവരുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരുമിച്ച് ചേർന്നിട്ട് ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ആ വാക്കുകൾ ചുരുക്കിയാണ്. അവസാനത്തായിട്ട് ഞാൻ പറയാനുള്ള ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. ദി വേൾഡ് ബിയോണ്ട് ദീസ് ഗേറ്റ്സ് ഈസ് ഫുൾ ഓഫ് പോസിബിലിറ്റീസ്, challenges and opportunities. Be brave, be curious, and be open to experience that await you. Remember that success is not a destination, but a journey, and that every step you take, every decision you make, and every obstacle you overcome will shape the person you are meant to be. To the respected correspondent, principal and dignitaries, I extend my gratitude for your tireless efforts in nurturing and guiding these young minds. Your commitment to education and excellence is truly commendable. I am proud to have been part of this community. Once again, congratulations to the graduating class of 2023-2024. May your futures be bright, may your hearts be filled with hope, and may your paths be illuminated with purpose and passion. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful message. Now, I request Mrs. Akshata, Lecturer, Department of Commerce, to call out the name of semester toppers. It's my humble request with the correspondent, Very Reverend Father Stanley Pereira, to confer the certificates.
Good morning all. It's my immense pleasure to announce the names of the students who excelled in their semester exam. I request the students to come forward and receive their certificates as their names are called out. Here we have the list of 4th semester toppers. From BBA department, the toppers are Sharanya R, 91%. Saujanya UN, 88%. Malavika KM, 86%. Amriteshwari, 85%. Fatimat Ashida, 83%. Shreyas N. Suvarna, 83%. Anushri K, 80%. From BCom Corporation Department, the toppers are Anisha, 80%, 81%. Anjali S, 81%. Kirti Raj, 80%. From the BCom Computer Application Department, the toppers are Pradiksha C, 83%. Aishwarya M.A, 82%. Next, we have the list of first semester toppers. From BBA department, Arshita Rai, 88%. From BCom Corporation Department, Deeksha, 86%. Amrita K.R., 83%. Bhumika M.B., 81%. Pooja, 81%. Congratulations, students. Thank you.
Thank you, Father, for awarding the winners. Thank you, ma'am, and congrats to all the students.
Very Reverend Father Stanley Pereira, a distinguished personality and has a rich tapestry of experience and wisdom. Under his organization has scaled new heights and achieved numerous accomplishments. I take great pride and honor in inviting Reverend Father Stanley Pereira for his illuminating insights. Let's extend a warm welcome to him for the presidential address.
Today is a day, special day for our institute, St. Mary's Bela. The graduation day, a very precious day. We had the other day, Freshers' Day, which was a precious day. And today we have another precious day of the graduates. The new ones came and we welcomed them. And our own students who have finished their degree are moving out with great laurels. So we are here to wish them well and at the same time congratulate them. So this is another precious day today. Esteemed guest, Mr. Stanley Bela, Father Rocky Ravi Fernandez, the principal, Mr. Vincent D'Souza, vice principal, members of the staff, dear students, the parents, and especially the graduates who have been awarded the graduate certificates and also congratulatory note. I'm very happy to be part of this celebration. First of all, it's a joy to see you all fulfilling your dream of gaining or obtaining degree. This is a dream, I think, for all the students who come into the school. First, they would like to finish their high school, then plus 2, then degree, whichever degree that is, professional courses or whatever. And then later on, if possible, move over to post-graduation and if it's possible, a PhD. This is normally a dream, and for all of our great minds, one of their dreams has come true, achieving their degree certificate. So we congratulate them. We are as much happy as you are all, and your parents also are very much excited that their child has moved to a stage where you will be called graduate, isn't it? That itself is a special laurel for you. And because you are a graduate, there are a lot of things that will come in your way in the society, not by way of monetary help, but in other ways there will be always a respect. They will say, oh, he's a graduate, she's a graduate. Therefore, we congratulate you for coming up to that stage where you have gained automatic respect in the society. Maintain it, and we wish you all the best. I would like to place before you a person here who has been already introduced and awarded here, and I would like to add a little bit about Mr. Stanley Bella. I think those of you who watch Daiji World, and because of the Daiji World program which are circulated all over, I think they have lakhs and lakhs of viewers, and he's a man who is behind a lot of successful programs of this media. Not only entertainment programs, but also a lot of programs which help the society in different ways. And a great mind behind that is here, Mr. Stanley Bella, our own person of this area. And he has come up very high. And you heard that he is also a member of the Kendra Sahitya Academy. It's not a small achievement for anybody to reach that heights. Therefore, I think most of you are aware of a private challenge where Mr. Walter Nandalike and Mr. Aravind Bolar act together and have been entertaining people for so many years now. The mind and director behind is here, Mr. Stanley Bella. Therefore, we clap for the achievement that he has done, and it's a great achievement, a great example for all of us. We give a round of warm applause to him again. Thank you, Stanley, for inspiring a lot of minds. We appreciate the college, especially especially the management here, and the principal in a very special way, Reverend Father Rocky Fernandez, for initiating this very special program. I think for our college, this is a first ever program of having a graduation ceremony of this type. Therefore, this is a unique program, and I think it sends a very good signal to outside world that we have reached a standard here, and our students have come up to achieve this wonderful level where the entire college fraternity of staff members who have joined together to make this event successful, and the student body have joined together to make this very, very colorful and very imposing. Therefore, we congratulate the principal, the staff, and the students for making this day wonderful one. We again appreciate our graduates for coming up to this stage and wish them all the best. I have not much to say to you already. Mr. Stanley Bella has placed before you a few very good thoughts. I would like to just say one or two things. We were told to define success, what you spell success, S-U-C-C-E, yes, isn't it? Then all of us said, like Mr. Stanley Bella asked to kindly raise your hands. All of us who seated there, all of us raised our hands and said, everybody knew the spelling of success. All of us said, S-U-C-C-E, yes. Then he said, no. The spelling is H-A-R-D-W-O-R-K. What is it? Hard work. So spelling of success is hard work. Therefore, we have been listening to that, and it has been inspiring. The same message I placed before you. Today it is not only hard work. They say today, hard work coupled with smart work. Just hard work doesn't work. Hard work coupled with smart work is very important. So that's my message. As you grow up, never give up. So all the people who have achieved have gone to the stage of laurel, not because it was automatical for them, but it was because of never give up attitude. So all of you, dear graduates, never give up. Challenges are quite many, as Mr. Stanley Bella rightly said. You are very senior most here, but as you move ahead, the other people will be always senior, and it carries a lot of load with that to say that somebody else is senior to you. You have to learn, and we learn till we die. Therefore, with the graduation, with the post-graduation, don't stop studying. Learn. All the best. May God bless all your steps for a very, very bright future. Congratulations and thank you.
A heartfelt thank you, Father, for sharing your valuable message.
We have here Mr. Farooq, the ex-staff of St. Mary's, who has come here all the way with love and dedication to this college and convocation ceremony. For his personal commitment, he has shifted his career and doing well in his present status. So we acknowledge your service, sir, and honor you. May I request Mr. Farooq to come forward and receive our honor. May I also request the president of the event, Very Reverend Father Stanley Pereira, to honor.
We will be honoring him officially another time. We have not planned properly. Just we are acknowledging his presence and we say thanks to him. Thanks very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Father. Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure to invite Mr. Vincent D'Souza, Vice Principal, to propose vote of thanks. Your presence here today has added immense value, and we would be grateful if you would share a few words to thank our distinguished guests, faculty, and everyone involved in making this event a success.
Good morning, everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais, staff, brother, students, parents, Mr. Farooq, and dear graduates. As we have come to the end of this graduation day, I stand before you with immense gratitude and pride to deliver the vote of thanks. Firstly, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Stanley D'Souza, for honoring graduates. Your inspiring words have truly motivated us, and we are grateful for the invaluable insights you have shared. Thank you for taking the time to be with us and for your encouraging address. Thank you, sir. We are deeply thankful to our correspondent, Very Reverend Father Stanley Pereira, for your unwavering support and guidance. Your vision and leadership have been instrumental in shaping our institution, and we are grateful for your continuous encouragement. Thank you, Father. A special thanks goes to our principal, Reverend Dr. Rocky Ravi Fernandez. Your dedication and commitment to excellence have set a benchmark for us to strive towards. Thank you for your support, encouragement, and for creating an environment where we could thrive academically and personally. Thank you, Father. To all our graduates, congratulations. Today is a celebration of your hard work and dedication. We are proud of each and every one of you and wish you success and fulfillment in your future endeavors. Thank you. Our sincere thanks to the coordinators of this program, brother, for your tireless efforts in making this event a grand success. Thank you. I thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff for your efforts and nurturing the students throughout academic journey. Your support and mentorship have been invaluable. Thank you. I thank all the students and parents for being with throughout this program. Thank you. I thank Mrs. Anita D'Souza and Mrs. Uma for comparing this program. Thank you, ma'am. I also thank JK Sounds and Lights for technical support, Photography Star Studio, and Insight Media for the live streaming. Thank you. Lastly, I would like to extend gratitude to everyone who has contributed in making this event a success. Your efforts, seen and unseen, are deeply appreciated. Once again, thank you all for joining us in this celebration. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We have come to an end of the glorious ceremony cheerfully and successfully. Thank you, one and all. Now it's time for refreshment and photo session. And to our regular students, you are requested to leave the auditorium and to be present in the college for the next academic session.
Students can go to their classes. Graduates will stay back here with their parents for a short photo session. Nothing else, it's a photo session. Rest of the students, please can move as the rain stops, or you can be here for some time, no issue.
Wishing everyone a successful day ahead.
One word of appreciation from me. The program today has come out very well organized, everything prepared so well, very fantastic. And I appreciate the students also, very well behaved and very nice. We were happy to be part of this beautiful ceremony. Good.
May I request all the graduates, the awardees, to be on the diyas. I request all the graduates who are awarded to gather on the stage.